In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file to your board in Chrome. To get started, open your board using the Chrome browser. Make sure the board is fully loaded before you begin, so all of the tools are visible and ready to use. This helps avoid small issues like buttons not responding right away or the upload window taking longer than expected to appear. Once your board is open, look to the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. In that toolbar, find the upload icon. It looks like a square with an arrow, and this is the tool you'll use anytime you want to bring files into your board. Go ahead and click that icon to open the upload options. After you click upload, choose My Device. This option lets you browse files stored directly on your computer. If you prefer, there's also a faster method. You can drag files straight into the Chrome window instead of selecting them through the menu. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever feels easier and more convenient for you. If you choose My Device, a file browser window will open. From there, locate the file you want to add to your board. You can upload common file types such as a PDF, a PNG image, or a DLCX document. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions saved in the same folder. That can save you time and prevent having to remove and re-upload the wrong one. Once you've selected the file, click Open. Your file will then begin uploading to the board. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, this may happen almost instantly or take a few extra seconds. During that time, it's a good idea to wait until the upload finishes before clicking around too much, especially with larger documents. When the upload is complete, the file should appear on your board, where you can move it into place and continue working. If you use the drag and drop method, the process is even more direct. Simply drop the file into the Chrome window and wait for it to appear on the board. That's all it takes to upload a file to your board in Chrome. Follow those same steps anytime you need to add documents or images, and the process will quickly become second nature.